Academy, and today we will read the 11th chapter of Standard 7, Snakes in India. In this chapter we will talk about the various type of snakes found in India and what are their intensity of venomous, how they are venomous and how they are dangerous for us. Through this chapter, if we have the proper knowledge of the treatment and the first aid when the snake bites us, then we can save a number of lives in our India, our country, in our world. Okay? So let us first discuss the word meaning of this chapter. Let us see. Giddy, silly, light-hearted. Okay? Convinced, induced. Toxic, poisonous. Ignorance, lack of knowledge. We commit number of mistakes due to lack of knowledge, and we waste our time here and there without any knowledge. Nocturnal, it means the things which is active only during night. Okay, let's start the chapter 11. Here is the chapter Snakes in India. Okay, see. What are the most dangerous animals on the Indian subcontinent? We all know. You all know. Tell me. They are not lions, tigers or wolves, but poisonous snake. The dangerous animal is not either lion, tiger, etc. It is the poisonous snake. They attack more frequently than most people suspect. They attack far more frequently than most people suspect. It means as they suspect, they attack on the day. Over 20,000 humans are bitten by venomous snake in India each year. It means above 20,000 people in India die due to venomous bite of the snakes in India. Unfortunately, the death rate from a snake bite is highly high, largely because of widespread ignorance about a snake and a snake bite prevention. It means due to proper knowledge, lack of proper knowledge, the number of death is caused more than the actual death. Also, the proper medical treatment is often delayed or unobtainable. It means we do some first aid work before and we don't fail to take it to the specialist, venom specialist doctor, and that's also the cause of the death of such high number of people. According to an estimate made by the World Health Organization, about 1,500 deaths from snake bites occur annually in India, nearly half of the total world of such death. Even for those who survive it is a dreadful experience, usually resulting in days or weeks of agony. It means those who survive after having the treatment, they have the deadly experience. It means not feeling good after the treatment, and most of them die. Okay, this shows how the serious condition it is, the biting of a poisonous snake, and how we, the main human beings, are losing their life due to lack of knowledge and proper treatment. Let's see. Read what happened to Kamal on a rainy evening in August 1981. See, this is the case study. Kamal, a 25-year-old farmer living near Goregaon, a suburb of Mumbai, was working barefoot in his field when he suddenly felt a sharp sting on his right foot. It means it is the story of Kamal who was working barefoot in his field when he suddenly felt a sharp sting. A sting means a stitch. Okay. Kamal examined his foot and saw two teeny marks near the ankle. Ankle means you may call this the last portion of our foot. Okay. Convinced it was a snake bite, and he thought that it is a snake bite. He hastily means fastly, tied a rope just above his knee and called out to a relative working nearby, who immediately took him by taxi to a local doctor dispensary. It means he gave the knowledge, and he told his nearby peoples about this bite, and they took him to the nearby dispensary for treatment. Unfortunately, the doctor was not a fully qualified allopathic practitioner and did not know about anti-venom serum or how to administer it. And it means the dispensers or the doctor doesn't know, they have no proper knowledge about the anti-venom. It means how to inject injections of this. He gave Kamal a pain-killing injection and antibiotic tablet. He told him to rest at home until the pain subsides, and told him that take rest until the pain comes down or subsides. But during the next few hours, Kamal felt increasingly giddy and vomited continuously. But it means after few hours, they feel giddy. You may call silly, light-hearted. You may call fool, and you may call barefoot, you may call burden, okay, and continuously vomiting. His right foot and lower leg swelled alarmingly, and the pain was unbearable. It means his right foot and lower end of the leg was swell means becoming abnormal. Kamal's relative rushed him to a large public hospital in central Mumbai. It means after that he took to the hospital. By then it was more than 5 hours since Kamal had been beaten and blood had begun to ooze from the snake bite's mark. Ooze means to come out. His gums were also bleeding, and a soft thin tube put through Kamal's nose into his stomach revealed a large amount of blood. It means his gums were also bleeding. This is called gums, and a soft thin tube put through Kamal's nose into his stomach. It means you may call the pipe put through this opening to the stomach. Okay, and revealed a large amount of blood. Okay. Fearing that it might already be too late, the doctor gave Kamal an injection of antivenom and began an emergency blood transfusion. It means the doctor gave him the antivenom. Over the next 3 days, Kamal was given 15 such transfusion as well as repeat sort of antivenom. It was only after the 5th day that he was declared out of danger. After about a fortnight, he was finally discharged from the hospital. It means due to improper knowledge, they were taken to the local dispensary, and there he spent some times, and after that the situation becomes adverse, and then went to the central hospital in central Mumbai, and then after the doctor transfused number of antivenoms. After 5 days, on the 6th days, Kamal was declared that he is out of danger. It means now it is okay. Only about 50 of more than 200 species of snakes in India are venomous. It means approx 200 species of snakes are found in India, and among them 50 are venomous, having venom, zahar. Of these, only 4 Russell vipers, saw-scaled viper, Indian cobra and common krat are really dangerous. It means these 4 are very, very dangerous. They are found across the country from desert to fertile plains, while all the 4 are most common in rural India. It means they are found deserts of the plain, deserts of fertile plain, and commonly in rural areas. Indian cobras and common crabs can be found and around any human dwelling, posing danger even in the suburb of major cities like Mumbai, Kolkata, and New Delhi. And common cobras and common crabs are generally found in suburb of these big cities. Of the death-dealing quarter. Death-dealing quarter means the Russell live in the valleys of north. Death-dealing quarter means the place where it's most dangerous. It means at most dangerous place. The Russell lives in the valleys of North India to the densely forested hills of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. These are the places where Russell viper found. Thick-bodied, reaching a length of 1 meter, it has long, movable fangs that inject a large amount of venom, making it even more dangerous than Indian cobra. It means it has thin 1 meter, thick body, which is one to have movable fangs. Fang means you may call the opening zib, okay, tongue that inject the venom. The Indian cobra, a relative of some killer snakes of Asia, Africa, and Australia, is readily recognized as the spectacled cobra and monoclade cobra. However, the black cobra has no distinguishing marks. It means these were the marks: a spectacled cobra, monoclade cobra, and black cobra has no distinguishing marks. About 1.5 to 2 meters long, the cobra spends much of its time underground or beneath the dead logs on stones, feeding mainly frogs and rats. The cobra's bite is shallow and delivers a small dose of venom, but the venom is 3 times as toxic as that of the Russell viper. It means the venom of the cobra is 3 times more dangerous, more venomous than the Russell viper. Even more toxic is the venom of secretive and timid common krait. First, Russell viper is more okay. Even more toxic is the venom of secretive and timid. Timid means not more active. Common krait, 1 to 1.5 meter in length. It is found throughout India. The common krait is usually glistening, instinct white across India. It means it is common. It is usually glistening, instinct, and white. And these are the colors of common kraits. First, the more venomous is Russell viper. Russell cobra is more than Russell viper, and common krait is more than cobra. Okay. Contrary to what many people believe, most snakes are timid, nocturnal creatures feeding mostly on rats, mice, frogs, toads, lizards, or birds. They attack human only when they actually stepped upon or provoked in some way. It means generally the snakes are timid, they don't disturb human beings, but when they stepped upon or provoked in any way, it means touch or torture anyway. Precautions such as wearing shoes, long trousers when walking through high grass and undergrowth will lessen the risk of being bitten. And these are the measures to stop. For most snake bites in India occur as people walk barefoot. It means without slipper. Carry a lantern or torch when they venture out at night. It means when we are moving in the night, during night, we must have slippers or torch. Beat the ground ahead with a stick as you walk, and the snake will perceive the vibration and slither away. It means beat the ground before walking so that due to vibration it will go away. Slither means go away. The snake moves around as long as they have rats to feed on. They will live here as well as the rats is available. Hence, keep keep your home and its surrounding rats free. One should be alert during the monsoon season when snakes are most active. It means we should avoid having rats in our surroundings so that the snakes will not visit around us, and one should be alert during the monsoon because snakes are most active during the monsoon. These were the details of this chapter and what was the content of this chapter. Now, moral. A number of people are dying due to snake bites, and to stop a snake bite we must have the proper knowledge about it. Wear slippers, long trousers, have torch, and avoid having rats around you, and these are the precautions that will stop snakes to come near to you. Okay, and you will be safe. Thank you for joining my class. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Take care.